Hello and welcome to Tango Seminar Basic and Beyond. And the idea is to show how we can build free figures from basic figures which are described in technique books. And today we will look at a reverse outside swivel and promenade pivot, back check and extended promenade, including point ball change. And now let's welcome our wonderful demonstrators, Andrejs and Kornelija. And we start with a reverse outside swivel, which is basic figure. So we start with left foot, forward to side, back in CBMP, and then cross in front, and continue forward and to side without weight. On third step, we allow lady to move outside partner. At same time, we cross lady's line of movement and we do outside swivel. Now let's look how Andrejs and Kornelija dance reverse outside swivel. Yes, very good. And again from opposite angle, this basic version of reverse outside swivel. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Now we will change timing and we will dance first 4 steps of reverse outside swivel. Quick, 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 and 4th step quick. After that, we from promenade position will do forward step with pivot, then back step with contra check movement, then we go to side in promenade. Again, a reverse outside swivel, then promenade pivot, back check, to side and forward in promenade position. So we changed this basic version of reverse outside swivel, we changed timing, and then we did promenade pivot, then back check and 2 steps in promenade position. Now let's look at Andrejs and Kornelija. And quick, 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 quick. Yes, please notice when we dance reverse swivel, we finish in promenade position and from here we close lady and continue with reverse pivot, check position to side and forward in promenade position. Okay, let's do it again. And quick, 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 promenade pivot, back check, side and forward in promenade. Five, 6, 7, 8, quick, 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 quick. Now we will continue with extended promenade. We will use point ball change action. We will do point, close on ball, forward, side and close. If we want to use more dynamic version, we can do point, replace, forward, side, close. Yeah, I think we will use the last version, which is more dynamic or more progressive. Quick, 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 point replace forward, side, close. As an intro for this choreography, we will use side cross from promenade position. This figure is developed from basic closed promenade. Now Andrejs and Kornelija will show us basic closed promenade, slow, quick, quick, slow. Very good. From opposite angle, basic close promenade, and slow, quick, quick, slow. Now we will change timing and also action in end. So we dance third step to side on inside edge of toe, and then we cross behind with whole foot. Let's look at side cross from promenade position, and slow, quick, quick end. Let's look again only this figure because it's important for us not only to show choreography but also how we build parts of figures. So again we start from promenade position, slow, quick, quick end. Again from opposite angle, and slow, quick, quick end. When we dance first step from promenade position, depending on speed in which we continue followed steps, we can do timing slightly differently. We can do first slow like 8, 1, 2, or we can do preparation on 1 and go on 2. So in this case, in side cross, we will use second version. Now let's do whole routine. So we dance side cross from promenade position, reverse outside swivel, promenade pivot, back check and extended promenade. Let's do from opposite angle. And slow, quick, quick and quick, 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 quick and quick, quick, quick. Now let's do again from this corner. And slow, quick, quick and quick, 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 quick and quick, quick, quick. Very good. And once more from that corner. And slow, quick, quick and quick, 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 quick and quick, quick, quick. And now let's look at routine to music. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Andrejs and Kornelija. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal experience with me with Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed today's video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.